Well, good morning. This is Pat McClatchy. I'm here today on the 29th of March. This is a Friday to talk to you about the numbers that have just come out for the quarterly grain stocks and also the prospective planning numbers that have come out. Let's just start off with quarterly grain stocks and see the reaction of the market. Soybeans came out with a little bit of a friendly number, it looks like. 2.728 stocks. The guess was 2.15. Well, no, 2.715 is the number. The guess was 2.724, a little friendly. The corn number was 8.604. That's what the number was. The guess was 8.309. That's quite a bit off. That's a negative for corn. Wheat, the number came out at 1.590. The guess was 1.551. So a little negative for wheat, a little friendly for soybeans, and then negative for corn. Before we get into the market reaction, let's look at prospective plantings. And we'll first start off with cotton. This was a friendly number. They thought that the average guess was 14.4 million acres. It came out at 13.78. That's considered positive. Soybeans, it came out for acreage 84.617. The average guess had been 86.2. That's positive. Corn, the number came out at 92.792 million acres. They had guessed it was going to be 91.3. So more corn acres, less bean acres, and less cotton acres than they had thought. And on the quarterly grain stocks, a little friendly for beans, a little negative for wheat, and pretty negative for corn. Now, I'll tell you, we've had this market jerking all over the place since this number came out 8 minutes ago. Before the number came out, cotton market was up 50. May was up 56. December was down 14. May right now is up 115, and December is up 30. So we have had a positive reaction to this number. This was a surprise, and it was a bullish surprise when it comes to price. Then let's take a look at the reaction in corn. Now this should be negative. Corn was, before the report, down 3 1/4. Right now corn is down 9 3/4. That's puts May corn at 364 1/4. It actually got 4 cents lower than this. It was down 14 after this report came out. The December corn was down 2 1/4 before the report. Right now it's down 7 1/4. So most of the weakness in the old crop. And the soybean, let's look at that number. These numbers seem to be a little friendly. The market was down 2 before the report in May and in November beans. Right now, you've got that market unchanged on the day in May. And November is up 1. So, but I mean, I think I saw here just minutes ago, or right after the number, soybeans moved down in sympathy with corn. Everything just got sucked down immediately, and then came right back up, or at least it did in the beans. So the wheat number, the market was down 6 cents in July before the report. Right now, July wheat is down 7 3/4, so a little negative. So even though the immediate reaction was very volatile and herky-jerky in terms of action, settled down and reacted about like you would think. So anyway, we do have some surprises here. Certainly negative for corn and positive for beans and positive for cotton. So that's it. Thanks for joining us for this quarterly edition of our special report where we discuss quarterly stocks, quarterly grain stocks, and also prospective plantings. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later.